Hello everyone, welcome one more time to my channel. My name is Ana Tenorio. If you're new here, well, this is a beauty channel. I talk things about makeup, and maybe further down the road I can talk some hair and all that stuff. So today I'm just going to do a very simple everyday look for this beautiful winter. I can see through my window a lot of snow. I feel like I'm in Wonderland. I'm just kidding, but if you want to see what I'm going to use to achieve this look, just stay here and watch. So I already did my eyebrows and prime my eyelids and put some setting powder there just to make sure the eyeshadow slides very soft. I'm not going to use a lot of products. I'm just going to grab my Morphe 35 I palette, and I'm gonna use this color right here that is like an orangey nude color, and I'm gonna use it as my transition shade just right here in my crease. And I'm just gonna come and grab a flat brush. It actually has some gold already in there, so that's exactly what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna come and I'm gonna take this like iridescent color. Is like a pink silvery goldish color, and I'm gonna put it on my lid. I don't know if you can see, it has like some pink undertones. It's very cute. And I'm just gonna come with a little pencil brush. I'm gonna take this brown actually right here that is softer. I'm gonna tap the excess, and I'm gonna just stay here in the crease just to give it like a little depth to the eye, a little dimension. Oh, I didn't tap the excess on this side and see what happened. That's okay, I think I like it better. And that's pretty much everything I'm gonna do to my eyes, just because I'm not gonna wear any fake eyelashes, and what I want is the mascara really to do their job. So if you want your eyelashes to look bigger, you should always use very light eyeshadows in your eyelid so you can actually see your eyelashes. Work on my skin right now. I have my moisturizer, and I'm gonna use today this City Color primer oil. Oh my god, I have it everywhere. It's very soft and smells very good. I didn't want it to. Now I have it on my sweater. In my opinion, if you are more on the you say it, oily side, I don't recommend using oil so much, but it's the first time I tried this one, so I don't know. And today it's the first time for me using the Dream Cushion foundation. I've never used a cushion foundation before. That's how it comes. I picked the color medium beige, so let's see how it works. I'm gonna apply it with my beauty blender just because I really don't want to use that little pad. So it's already wet, so let's see how it goes on the skin. I can definitely tell that it has a lot of coverage, and it looks a little yellow, I hope it doesn't get more yellow than these because I'm pale and I'm not gonna look pretty if that happens. Smells so good. Smells like candy. I think this color is a little yellow for me. But it will maybe work in the summer. Not right now, because right now I'm like extremely pale, so we'll see. Okay, so there it is. It has like a medium coverage, like, because look, you can see imperfections, you can see my super freckle very big, but it might be buildable, even though since I'm going for an everyday look, I think it works just fine. I'm gonna use my MAC concealer today because I don't want as much coverage as the Shape Tape gives me. So I'm gonna come also with my sponge to cover the imperfections. And I'm just gonna use a little bit of the Laura Mercier powder with this brush right here from Morphe. It's the J11. That is very nice for these. And I'm just really going to set this area right here. I really didn't apply so much, and a little bit in here, just to make sure nothing moves. Right there. I'm gonna come with my butter bronzer from Decisions Formula just to apply a little bit of bronzer, even though my face is bronzed enough. But I have to say the color of the foundation turned very pretty at the end. Right here. And I'm gonna go in a very soft hand with this Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in color Mellow Wine. I just want to apply a little bit in the apples of the cheek. Right there. And come back to my eyes very quickly just to come with the Morphe palette, and I want to use my pencil brush again with that brown we used right here to use it under my eyes in my lower lash line. I feel like this step makes the eyes look bigger, and I have small eyes, so I really like to make sure they look bigger. And I'm gonna come back with my Super Sizer CoverGirl mascara that I'm obsessed with for the lower lash. And now we're gonna come and apply a little bit of highlighter just to make the skin look very healthy. I'm gonna put a little bit in the highest point of the eyebrow. And I'm also gonna try my new Fenty Beauty lipstick. I am not gonna use any eyeliner, just how the lipstick works. And I'm gonna say something, the package is beautiful. This is how it comes. It comes in this little box. It's the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Mattemoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick. I don't know what it says there. And this is in the color Spanked. Okay. And it comes with this beautiful, the initials of the Fenty Beauty right there. Isn't that cool? I feel bad trying this on. So I am playing very smooth, and look at all the payoff that comes. Look at that. It's just like a little, with just like a little swap, the whole thing came. I think because of the shape, I will definitely need like a little pencil to put it on. But I like it. I love the color. I like it. It's gone. This is the look for today. Like you can see, it's just an everyday look. I am going to let you know maybe in my next video how that oil worked under my foundation and how this lipstick stays. So far, so good. I love the lipstick. It's super matte. It's super creamy. If I don't die from this cold I have, maybe I can let you know. I'm just kidding. Thank you for being here one more time. See you soon. Bye-bye.